Good afternoon. Can you hear me?
Hi, Dharmadev sir. Yes, we can hear you.
Hello, sir.
I'll just take 1 minute, maybe just before you start.
Oh, yeah, sure.
So I'm just quickly sharing my screen, guys. I just wanted to draw your attention to this. Can you see this? My screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
So I just wanted to say that, please, subscribe to this channel, Study in India official channel that is there. Okay. So they keep sharing a lot of important information. So the government is saying that tomorrow there should be the display of admit cards. Okay. So log into your portal, the Study in India portal, and I think you should be able to see that. Okay. Your admit card should be applicable. So admit card is nothing but it's like, how do you take the exam that day successfully, right? Some credential is required. So your admit card ideally should be ready. Okay. So you can just take a look at that. Tomorrow it should come out. Also, the actual final exam on basis of which you'll get scholarship and all these other things is on 21st. But the government, the Study in India team, what they are doing is they are giving you 2 mock tests, right? This is to say that you have your laptop ready, you have an internet connection ready, just so that you don't make the mistake and goof up on the last day, right? Which is on 21st. They are trying to, because see, sometimes people are taking from different countries and there can be challenges. So just to figure out all those challenges, you should be ready for your actual exam, before. So on 16th July, as you can see, and 17th July, they are trying to do a mock test for you. So please, it's a sincere request to please be available. Treat these mock tests actually as the final exam only, because it will help you prepare, right? So take the test, right? See the instructions and all, as they will share more. But I just saw this post, so I just wanted to highlight it to everyone, right? And of course, right, you can take mock tests at our portal, that is always there. But also don't forget to not take these mock tests from the Study in India site. Okay, that's what I wanted to say, but I'll hand it over to Dharmadev sir and he can continue.
Oh, sure, sir. Good afternoon, all. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Okay. Is my audio clear? Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think the board is, I'm just stopping the board. Okay. You're able to see me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. Okay, fine. So I just got some of you questions. So you had some doubts and everything. I would clear it. Okay. So meanwhile, before getting into that, I'll give you some questions and then we'll get into your doubts. Is that okay?
I have a question.
Yes, Divan.
Sir, is there mock test mark added to scholarship exam?
Divan?
Yes, sir. Is there mock test mark added to scholarship exam?
No, mock test is mock test. Only a final would be added. But mock test, if you attend, you would know that how to write your exams. So that's why mock test is very important.
Yes, sir. But isn't the mark added in scholarship exam?
I don't think so. Mock test cannot be added, only a final.
Oh, okay. Thank you, sir.
Mock test is for only for your practice. Okay, that's fine. Okay, anybody else? Any other doubts?
Which class do we have today?
I'm sorry?
Which class do we have today?
So today you would be doing with some of the reasoning topics, and some of your doubts, whichever you had, is related to your question paper and your mock test. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, that's great. And anybody else, any doubts? Yes, you have to attend both the mock tests so that you will get it better. I hope you can do it with your phone.
Sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Sir, I don't think so. We can do with phone because they said that we have to do with laptops.
Okay. So no, the mock tests of Indian government.
Yeah, sir, that's what
Okay,
I'm
then
saying.
that's fine. Okay, that's fine then.
Sir.
I'm not sure, Pravina. I'll check on. Yes, Ocha.
I wanted to ask, the mock test, do we get it through a link in our emails, or
I think you have to
step out?
log in into that particular website where your login portal is given for you to download your admit card. Do anybody have the link? You can share it in the public.
No, sir. I mean, like, for that website, Step Up Learning, I'm unable to log in till now. So I can't access the mock test.
Can you drop a mail? Okay, you will have the contact us. You can just drop a mail over there.
Okay.
Okay. See, all these things we would do it at the end because we did not to waste time. Okay, you can solve some questions.
Sir, already
SCB,
tried.
I'm not sure, Sachin. I'm not very clear with what is that SCB browser. Yeah, that's fine. Thank you, Arva. Okay, so you would get it in your mail, so there is no worries. So, Brittany, it has been said as you have to use your laptop. Just check it. Okay, I'm just sharing the board. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's fine. Great. So I would be sharing you some questions to solve. So we would be doing it one by one. So very basic things about the pictures and diagram related. Okay. So if I'm sharing the first one, just give me a minute. Okay. I'm just sharing another screen. I hope it should be visible. Yeah. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
that's great. Okay. So I'll just give you a minute. Very easy questions. Okay, very easy questions. Just take a minute, go through these questions, and then I'll tell you how to solve it and what are these questions are. Okay, in each of the following questions, there is a diagram marked X. So which one or more dots placed in it? So the diagram would be followed by four figures marked 1, 2, 3, and 4, only one of which is such as to make possible the placement of the dots satisfying the same conditions as in the original diagram. Find the correct alternative in each case. So what you do, just take a look of it. Once understand how and what is the question, then I'll tell you how to do it. Okay, have you done? Have you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can others hear me? I think Brittany not able to hear me. Can others hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's fine. So you have here with both these questions, you have three images. One is with the circle, and the other one is with the right triangle, and then you have with a square. So the dot is being placed over here. So this is the dot is being given. So what is this dot representing? So this dot is representing the circle and the triangle. Can you see that? So they have not included with the square. Okay, so the dot is not including with the square. So we have to find which of these pictures we can make it out where we have with the square and triangle, where the square and triangle are attached. Okay, that's the meaning of the question. Are you clear with that? Are you clear with that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
No,
circle
sir.
and can you see the dot, Umid?
So I'm clear.
Okay. Oja, can you see the dot?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
this dot is connecting which other figures? The dot, the black dot in the first question are connecting which other figures? We have three figures. One is a square, one is a triangle, and then a circle. So you have each one figure, and the dot connects which are the figures.
The circle and the triangle.
Good. So let us take the option. In this, is a circle and triangle are together. Is a circle and triangle are joining?
No, sir.
No, no. Second one, I want, if I keep a dot, it should attach only circle and triangle. If I keep a dot over here or over here, it should be only with circle and triangle. Can I take the second one? Is it joining with only with circle and triangle? Can I consider?
No.
No. So third one, if I'm keeping a dot over here, is it connecting the circle and triangle?
Yes.
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 Third one, if I keep a dot, is it connecting only circle and triangle?
No. Yes.
No. So only the third one would be there. I want only circle and triangle. If I keep a dot over here in the fourth option, it will add even the square. I don't want the square, only the circle and triangle. It should add only the circle and triangle. So that is what these dots mean. Are you clear with that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in that case, in this figure, if I keep a dot, yes, it's joining with the circle and triangle, not with the others. So only this is correct.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now the second one. Let's come to the second one. Now try. Can you try with the second question?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
3, sir.
3. That's good.
3.
Yes, it makes with 3. The remaining could not. Okay. Fine. So can I go with the next slide?
Yes, sir.
A similar question, but over here it's about the statement. So they have given, so army men, that means triangle. So we have a tall person, that means tall means circle, strong means square. Okay, so the meaning is army men are strong, army men are tall, tall men are strong, tall men are army men. So like that you will have the statements. So you have to read it and understand that what are they asking. Which number would represent the strong army men? Strong army men. So strong means square.
4, sir.
D.
Strong means square. And army men means triangle. So it should join with army men and triangle.
It's 4.
It's
Yes,
4,
sir.
sir.
4.
Yes. So the 4, the number would represent only army men and triangle. If I take 6, it's with tall person and strong. So if I take 7, it's joining all the 3, triangle, circle, and square. That is tall, triangle and square.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so by that way, if I take only 4, it's going to join only with these two. So that's with strong army men. So strong is for square, army men is for triangle. Yes, it makes. So the option B. Okay, are you clear with that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. This is the next one. Just take time. I'm just giving you the same thing. It's the same thing of Venn diagrams. So in this, you might be able to find the same kind. It's here with the 3%. Over there, we had with the square, circle, triangle. Here it is only with the circles given. Okay, 3 different type of circles. So Chinese painter and musician.
That's A. That's B.
Okay, Chinese who are painters but not musicians. That means only Chinese and painters. That is
B.
B. Yes. So the answer is B, option A. Now, next one, painters who are neither Chinese nor musician. What do you mean by neither nor?
That is F. F. That is F. F. That is F.
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 Not both.
Not both.
Not
Yeah.
both. That's the meaning. So it's painters. That's only F.
Which G, sir?
Yes. Next, Chinese who are musicians but not painters.
D.
D. B. D.
D.
Who are musicians? Yeah, D. So only this. Next, Chinese who are painters as well as musicians.
Correct. B.
B. C.
Painters and musicians. That means
C.
all together. C. Yes, correct.
Option C. C.
Yes. No.
Okay. Yeah, that's it.
Is that clear? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay,
No,
that's
sir.
great. Okay, I'm just stopping over here and just give me with. Okay, there's one more. I'm just giving you another one question. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
July begin now. Which is that's what it is for.
Auburn.
Is it?
Yes, Steve. What's your doubt?
July in the list, Madu. Today,
Just a minute. Just a minute. Okay. Previous question. So there are 3 members, Steve. Yeah, just a minute. Steve has some doubt. So there are 3 Chinese painters and musicians. Okay. So Chinese, and this is for musicians. They're connecting both Chinese musicians. If I take up this particular circle, that means it's adding with the painters or anyways. So I want only for Chinese musicians means only this part. Okay, which I'm shading only this part. This means Chinese musicians. When I shade only this part, this is Chinese and painters. This one musician and painter. So which is not shaded, that is C. This means only Chinese. So this M, this region, that is F or A or G, that is only for individual. Or this is only for musician. This P is only for painter. The center one, which is not shaded, that is with C. If I take that, that means all the 3 together. Are you clear with that, Steve?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so this question, so they are given with 7 remarks. So urban, hardworking, and educated people. So that is triangle means urban, square means hardworking, and circle means educated people. Educated people.
The fourth is the answer.
Yeah, so representing urban educated people. So urban educated, that means triangle and circle. So triangle and circle will make with Roman 4. So option C. Okay. Are you clear with
Hold
this?
on, sir.
Any doubts? Yeah.
Please
Yes.
explain again, sir.
Okay. So you have three pictures. Triangle means urban. It is given respectively. That means it's as follows. So triangle means urban. Square means hardworking. So circle means educated people. Okay, circle means educated people. So which one of these are marked? So you have to find for the question. I think you're not reading the question. Only if you read the question, if I explain, you'll understand. Otherwise, you will not. Okay, just please do read the questions. Just only going with the question and answer, that could not be done in reasoning or aptitude. You have to read the question and understand. Okay, so here the urban educated people who are not hardworking. So here they have given you to find with urban educated people. So urban educated people means square, sorry, the circle and triangle has to join. Okay, so if I take 1, it's only representing the circle. 2,
Okay.
circle and square, sorry, triangle and square. 6, Roman letter 6, only for square. 5, it's with circle and square. 3 is representing all the 3. And 6, 7 is representing only circle. So it's option 4, which has to represent circle
C.
and triangle. So option C. Clear with that?
Yeah, I understand now, sir. Thank you.
Okay, that's great. Okay, good. So please do read the questions twice. If you don't understand, for sure you will be able to do. Read the question. Okay. Fine. I think these things would not be there for you. Okay, I'm just stopping the screen. I'm just giving you with the next one. Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Fine. So the next one is called as ordering. So I think we have done with element series or something related to. Do you remember in the coding decoding?
Not sure.
In
Yes,
coding,
sir, we remembered.
yes, yes,
Yes,
that's
sir.
correct. Yes, the same kind of concept. That is what is called ranking ordering. Okay, so here the first one we would be doing with like these kind of questions. These are called as ordering questions. Okay, same kind of. Read the question and just give it a try. Then we'll go on with the next.
So it's one.
It's 1. Okay, fine. So how many 5s are there in the following number sequence which are immediately preceded by 7? What is the meaning of preceded?
Before.
Good. So preceded means before. Okay. And immediately followed means after. Okay. Before 7. So before 5s, I'm sorry, before 5s and after 5s. Okay. So as they say, immediately 5s are there preceded by 7. That means before 5, there should be 7. And after 5, there should be 6.
6.
Okay, there should be 6. So in this order, first before 5, there should be 7. After 5, there should be 6. What are the numbers are representing?
1 time, sir.
Okay, so this one, no. Before, no. And this one, yes. No, there's also no. 5, before 5, 7, and after that, it's 6, yes. 1. And next, before 5, 7, no. So there is only 1. Is there any other options? So it is only 1.
Yes,
Are you
sir.
clear with the question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, can I give you the next one? Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, that's good. Very easy questions. Okay, just try with that. How many 4s are there? Preceded by 7, but not followed by 3. The previous one was followed here, but not followed. Not followed by 3.
Four.
4. Okay.
4.
Okay, let's check it. So
Right,
4
4.
in front of 4, 7, but after that 3 should not come. Okay, so 7, 4, 2. Yes, we can. 7, 4, 6. Yes, we can accept. 7, 4, 1. Yes, we can
Yes, sir.
accept.
4.
7, 4, 3. No, we cannot accept because after that 3 should not come. 7, 4, 6. Yes, we can accept. So there are 4. Yes, it's right. Understood with these questions?
Yes, sir.
Simple ones, simple ones. Okay, very simple. Okay, next one. This is what you're
Sir.
seeing. Yeah.
The word preceded is putting me off. Why can't you just say before 7?
Because they want you to know the synonyms. It's your reading. Always reasoning questions mean to be like we have to know some synonym words.
You don't go back with you. Let's say I know some about 10
No. So it means
Yes.
preceded basically means the number is after
Precede.
7.
See, these are called as root words. Pre means before, always. The meaning of pre is before. Pre-pond, prepare. Pre.
Okay,
Pre means before. Yeah. Yes, pre
if it's
itself,
before,
the meaning is before. Yes.
if it's before, then why is the 4 not in front of the 7 if it's before 7?
It is not before 7. See here, how many 4s are there which is preceded by 7? So this is called the preposition word by. By, preceded by. 4 is preceded by 7. Not 7 is preceded by 5. Okay, 4. As I told you, if I get is, was, are, were in the previous classes, means equal to. 4 is equal to before 7. It's not 7 is equal to before 4. Are you clear with that? Okay, so 4 is equal to preceded by 7. Okay, so 7 in the front, 4 in the back. This is the meaning of the question. Are you getting it, Ocha?
Yes, sir, I'm trying to, sir.
Oh, okay. So see, these are the root words you have to know what. Okay, so pre, post, and post means later. So there are like these kind of root words you might be like learning in English, but still you have to know these root words. Only then when you read the questions, you will be able to know that at least what would be the closest meanings.
Sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Yeah. Okay, great. So can I give you
Sir,
the next one? Yeah.
What other words do you think they would use similar to this one?
Similar to precede?
Similar and different. Like what if this one is before? Now what if they
Yes.
want to now say after 7? What other words do you think they would
Follow.
use after?
Follow.
Followed. Okay.
Yeah.
So let's
Or
say
post.
let me replace preceded by. How many 4s are there followed by 7? So that means it's 4 and then 7.
Yes, exactly. You're correct.
Okay.
Okay. And you might get the word post. Post means later. Post means after. Pre means
Okay.
before.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So it was being posted 7. That means not 7 is being posted somewhere. Posted 7. So after. So the post is a root word. Postponed. So pre means before, pre-pond. So pre means before. So these are called as the root words. Okay. That's fine. Okay. So the next one is related to ranking. Okay. I'll just write it over here. It's still what is called as ranking, and I'll just give you the concepts. Yeah, I've muted all. Okay. I've just muted all. Okay. Fine. So just look on. If any doubts, just stop me there. Since there is space, I'll write it over here itself. So the next person would be able to do ranking. Okay, now whatever you did is ordering on sequence. Our next one is ranking. So in this ranking, what would you be doing is finding out which place do you belong to. Okay, now let us say that Ocha, in Ocha's class, there are 32 members. So there are 32 members. So from the first, he's securing 11th rank. Okay, so it is very clear, out of 32, he came top 11. Okay, this is from top or from left. They use a keyword called top, or they might use it as left. Are you clear with that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, next one is, what's the keyword would be used as bottom or right, from the right or from the bottom. So when I say from the top, Ocha scored 11th rank, that means from the first, he is in the 11th place, no changes. Now let's say there are 32 students, and from the last, he's securing 11th rank, from the last or from the bottom or from the right side. Then what is his rank from the first place? What is his rank from the first place?
Sir, sorry, sir, I don't understand the concept. Can you come again?
Sure. So let's say that in your class, there are 32 students. Okay. So you are ranking from the last. That means from the 32nd students, when I come from the last, your rank is 11. Then what is your rank from the first? Or I'm reordering it in this way. 32 students are there. You are scoring 11 from the last. If I count from the last, this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. From the last, this is 11. Then what is your rank from the first? Understood the question?
Understand it has to do with math now.
Okay. That's
Yes. So what we have to do?
32 minus 11 is 21.
Okay.
And then what do you do now?
That's 22.
Yeah.
Good try. 21, next.
Then you add +1 to it.
Yes, I'm
21.
adding +1 because the meaning is when I say 32 minus 11, before them there are 21 students. And this rank, so +1. So it is 22nd place.
India lower.
Are you clear with that? You clear with that?
Wait, sir. So from the bottom, you are 11th place.
Yes.
Meaning it's 32 minus 11. Then there where the 11 is, that's the 21st spot.
21, that means front of that 11, there are 21. What is his place? So I'm adding +1. Understood?
Okay, yeah. I understand it.
Got it right? Yeah. So before him, there are 21. So his place is +1, 22. Okay. Now I'm giving you an easy one with very small count. There are 10 members in the class. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, sure. So from the last, from this 10, a person is scoring this place from the last. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth rank from the last. Okay. So now I'm just erasing on the top. This 1, 2, 3, I'm erasing it. Okay. From the last, he is scoring fifth place. What is his rank from the first? From the last, he is fifth place. Then what is his rank from the first?
6th, sir.
Good. So how many students are there before him?
5.
Good. So before them, there are 5, and his rank, and this one is +1. So that would be the 6th place. Are you clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anybody have doubts?
Sir.
No, sir.
Okay. I'm just giving you with the next one. Okay. The next one is, let's say that there are, I'm just increasing the count to 20. Okay, 1 to 20. Got it? Let's say there is a person called A, there's another person called B. Okay, now A is scoring 10th from the top. That means from the left hand. From the top, A is scoring 10. From the bottom, B is scoring from the bottom. B is scoring 5. How many members are there in between A and B?
4.
4. That's good. Check it. Is there, are you getting any other answers, or do we, anybody have doubts? A from the top 10th rank, B from the bottom 5th rank. So how many members are there in between A and B?
It's 4, sir.
4. Okay.
Yeah.
So let's say from the last, he is 5th rank. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means this is 16th place. Am I correct? From the first?
Yeah.
Okay. So from the last, this is 10. Sorry, from the first, this is 10. And this is from the last, this is 5. From the bottom, it is 5. So that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then from the first, this place is 16. Yes or no?
Yes,
Good.
sir.
Then how many members are there in between 10 and 16? How many members are there in between 10 and 16? 5. Yes. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Are you clear with this? Yes, thank God, you're correct.
Sir.
Okay. So can I give you
Sir.
another question? Yeah, I'll just give you another question based on the same so that you might be very clear.
Sir.
Yes,
Hold
sure.
on.
Yes.
I said 4 because I did it this way. You said B is 5th from the bottom, meaning 20 minus 5.
Yes.
Then I got 15. Then you said
Yes.
A is 10 from the top, which is 10 basically.
Yes.
Okay. Then I took between 10 and 15. There are only 4 numbers. That's how I got 4.
Good. But you have to understand that I want how many members are in between. So from the first, this is 10th place. From the last, this is 5th place. That means I have to find from the first, which place is this? From the back, it is 5. Then what is the place from the first? I have to find out that. Are you clear with that?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
okay, yeah.
Yeah, only then I would be able to find how many are in between. So let us say that you are walking straight, your friend is walking in the reverse. Okay, you're walking straight, your friend is walking in the reverse. Can you tell what is your distance?
Sir, can you please repeat?
You are walking
No,
in the
sir.
front direction. You're walking in the front direction. Your friend is coming from the back direction. With this direction, can you tell how far you both are? So you're walking front, your friend is walking backwards. He's keeping back foot, you're keeping front foot. So you both are walking. He's walking in the backwards, you're walking in the front. So would you be able to tell what is the distance you covered, or what is the distance between yourselves?
No, you won't, sir.
No,
Not
sir.
Yeah. So first, what I want, total distance. I want something called where do I begin, where do I end? So I'm beginning at 1, I'm ending at 20. So I'm very clear the distance is 20. Okay, so there are 20 are there. So now the first person came for 10 kilometers. Second person in the reverse, he came to the 5 kilometers. Okay, so he covered 5, he covered 10. So total how many members are there? Or total how many kilometers? 20. Okay, the total is 20. So total is 20. Yes, covered 10 and the other person covered 5. So what is in between? Okay, so I would not be able to say just like that the answer. So you covered 10, done. So you covered 5 out of 20, done. So 20 minus 10, I have 10. So 10 minus 5, I have remaining 5 to cover. This is other way to do it. So total is 20 minus 10 minus 5, so that I will get 5. That means remaining in between there are 5 members. This is one way. I have to know the total. Second case, I know he covered from the last 5. So I have to find if he is covering from the front, which position is this? So 5 means front of this, they are 15, and this place from the front is 16. From the front, this place is 16. From the front, this place is 10. It's like a race. You are in the 10th place in the race, he is in the 16th place in the race. So how many members are there in between? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there are in between, there are 5. Are you clear with that?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
yes, sir.
See, 20 minus 10 minus 5. 20 minus 10 minus 5. Yeah, that is good. Thank God, that is
Won't
good.
we subtract 1?
Minus 5. Okay, 20 minus 10 minus 5. So that is what is 5. Not 20 minus 10 plus 5 is, again you get 15.
Sir?
Yes, yes, Umed.
Sir, won't we subtract 1?
No, why do you want to? Because I want only in between members. I don't want their rank. If I say I want his rank, then from the first it is 16. But what I want in between, how many are there? So I don't want anything as a plus 1 or minus 1.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now let us say, Umed, you have 20 chocolates with you. Okay, you
Yes.
gave 10 to me and you gave 5 to your friend. How much you have balance?
5.
That's all. That's the sense. So I don't want anything like adding or subtracting over here, because I'm not talking about that particular chocolate you gave. How many are left out is the count. So I'm not talking about what is that particular chocolate's count.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, that's good. Anybody have doubt? Just clear it. See, these are the questions you will have it. So you have to be sure. The question level will keep increasing. This topic is very important, as well as we have varieties of questions in this. Just know the concept. Don't want to do anything with called as formula. If you understand the concept, it is very easy. If you understand the concept, it is very, very, very easy. Just take a look. If you have doubt, ask, or we can go with the next one.
Sir, next one.
Okay, good. Fine. So I'm just making with the next one. So first one, what you have learned is a person ranking 1 to 10. I'll just give you the 10 example itself. From the last, if he is 5, then from the first, he is 6. Yeah, I'll come to that overlapping. I'm just coming to that overlapping. Just wait. Let's come one by one. Okay. So the next case is 20 members. So 1, 2, 20. This person from the last, it's 5. This one from the first, it's 10. So how many members are in between? 5 between them. Okay. Next case. Okay, this is case 1. This is case 2. Next case is a person. Let's take Janveer is ranking 11 from the first. On the same place, Janveer, the same person, or the A, he is ranking 13 from the last. Okay, Janveer is ranking 11 from the first, 13 from the last. So how many members are there in the class? So how many members total are there in the class?
$23. Is it 23?
Did you understand?
It will be
Everybody are getting 3,
position
4 different
from
answers.
start plus position from end minus 1, which will give us 11 plus 13 minus 1, which will be 23.
J from the top 11. J from the bottom 13. From the bottom 13. J from the top 10. J is the same person. From the bottom 13. Then how many members are there in the class? Is it 25 or 23 or 24 or 20?
23.
Why do you say, okay, let's come for the other options. Why do you say 24? Thank God. Can you tell me why it is 24? Thank God.
Because from the front you get 11.
Okay.
Then,
Asugua?
that okay. Then from the back you sum up the rest. That's 13. Then if you add it together, you get 24.
Okay, fine. Asugua, why do you get 25? Asugua? Okay. So somebody have doubts? Yes, Malachi. Malachi? Johnny, why 24?
It will be 23, because we are talking about one person here, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, Jane's position from top is 11, and Jane's position from bottom is 13. So by adding 11 and 13, you can't count someone twice. So you have to subtract 1 from it. So it will be 13 plus 1, 13 plus 11 minus 1, which will be 24 minus 1, and it will give us 23. That's all.
Okay, that's good. So the same person, let's say the same person is ranking 11 from the top, and the same person from the bottom is ranking 13 from the bottom. That means this rank is repeated. Is it yes or no? Whoever answered 24, whoever been answered with 24, Johnny and Steve, Kumar? Anyone? Whoever been answered with 24. Just see the same person is in the 11th place and he is in the 13th place from the bottom. That means this position is repeated. So 11 plus 13 is 24. It's correct, but you have something called -1 because the same place is repeated. So that is 23. Are you clear with that? Are you all getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Kumar, that's fine. Good. Okay, fine. Can I give you another one?
Yes, sir.
Steve, what happened? Okay, good, Malachi. Steve?
Sir,
Yes.
so I think if from the first position, if the person is actually at the 11th position and that from the back is the 13th position, since the position is repeating, like I think you will just have to be 13 plus 11 without actually subtracting the one.
Yeah, 11 and 13. Now, see, okay, I will put the Steve over here itself. Okay, now let us take, there are 4 members, 1, 2, 3, 4, and Steve is over here. Okay, so Steve, from the last, what is your rank? From the bottom,
position.
what is from the bottom? From the bottom.
I'm in 3rd position, sir.
From the bottom, from the bottom, from the first it is 3rd position. From the bottom, what is your position? From the bottom means from the last, count 1, 2, 3, 4 from the last. What's your position?
And 3rd position, sir.
2nd position from the last. Yes or no, Steve?
So I said from the last, from the bottom is going to be the 2nd position.
Yes, very good. From the bottom it is 2nd position. From the first, what is your position?
The first is the 3rd position.
Okay, 3rd position. So what is 3 plus 2?
3 plus 2 is 5.
Is that correct answer?
Yes,
Is
sir.
that for, is that the four? There are how many members in total?
There are 4 in total.
Only 4 in total, but you're getting 5. Why are you getting 5?
Oh.
Because Steve is being counted from the first, Steve is being counted from the last. Same person is connected 2 times, overlapping.
Okay, sir.
Do you understand now?
Yes,
Okay.
sir, I get the logic.
Yeah, you are counting the same person again. Durga's law, are you clear with that? Durga's? So that only I'm making -1. I want the person only once. Okay, everybody clear? Everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Good. Okay, I'm just erasing a part. I'm giving you the next one. So the next concept what we learned is repetition. I'll just write it over there and I'll give you the next question too. Okay, so the next one, what we learned is the total count. Okay, so same person ranking 11 from the top and 13 from the bottom, same person 13. So that is A's rank from the top and from the bottom. So there are 23 members. Okay, listen to the next question and just give me the answer. I'm taking up two members. First person from the first, he is ranking, let's say A ranks from the top 10. B ranks from the bottom 9. How many members are there in the class?
$18.
19, sir.
18.
Any other answer?
It is 19, sir.
That's 1990.
Okay, I'm repeating it again. There are two members. First person from the top 10. Second person from the last 9. Two members are there, not one member. There are two members.
Does it 20?
Okay, why 20?
So 10 plus 9, 19, and then plus 1, 20.
Why plus 1? Very good, Ravi. Why it is 19? Why it is 20? So if you tell 10 plus 1, 19, why again plus 1? Very good question, Dennis. Why it is 20 or why it is 19? Very good, Dennis. You cannot tell how many members are there in the class. You cannot tell. Are you clear with that?
Two members in between them.
There are no, it is not given. So that means you cannot find out. Nothing is given in between them. How many members are there? Second count. It is not given how many members are there in the class. Nothing is given. You don't have anything in between count or total count, anything. It is just A from the first 10, B from the bottom 9. That's all is given. So with that data, you cannot find out. Are you clear with that? Because it's two members. It's not one member. It's not A10 and A9. It is A10 and B9 from the bottom. We don't know how many members are there. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
So it is not possible to determine. So the answer is cannot be determined.
The answer will be not determined.
Yes, Dennis was correct. Dennis was the first person gave the right answer. You cannot determine it. Cannot determine. That means you cannot find answer for this question.
Malachi, there is no total number here. They are just trying to tell us that two persons and two different entity entirely. One from the top, which is ranking 10, another one from the bottom, which is ranking 9th. They didn't say that, okay, you can't determine, okay, maybe, let's say, I think they give us the total number of persons in that ranking is 15. They're not saying that, okay, A's position from the top is 10. That one you can determine that. But since the total number hasn't been given, it will be not determined.
That's good. Very good. Okay. So can we go with the next one? Can we go with the next?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
good. Okay. Okay, so the next one is, I'll just give you a very direct question instead of going with the step by step. There are 2 members, A and B. There are 20 members in the class. Total count is 20. So A from top, let's say 9. B from bottom 13. Okay, so how many members are there in between them? So this is 20. So this is 1. A from the top 9, B from the bottom 13. So how many members are there in between them?
I can repeat the question again, please.
Do you want me to repeat the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, A from the top 9. A from the top. This is the top, this is bottom. A from the top 9. B from the bottom 13. B from the bottom 13. Total there are 20 members in the class. Total count from A1 to N, that is 20. So 1 to 20, there are 20 members. A from the top 9, B from the bottom 13. So how many members are there in between A and B? So how many members are there in between A and B?
So 4.
4, okay. Some got the number as 3, some got 0, some got 3. Okay, 4 or 3 or 0. See, whatever you're giving your answers, this is what is the options also. So it might confuse. So you have to be clear with the concept. Okay. So A from the top 9, any doubt in that?
No, sir.
Okay. So A from the top 9. 9th place. This is A from the top 9. B from the bottom 13. So B from the bottom 13. What is his rank from the first? B from the bottom 13. What is his rank from the top or from the right, left or from the first? Yes, very good. So 8. Okay, so that means A 9, B 8. B is overtaking 8. 13th position. There is nothing called 13th only. Everything is 9th, 13th, 8th position. Okay, so when I say 13th position, so before him there are 7 and his rank is 8. So from the top, this rank is gonna be, B's rank is gonna be 8. And A from the first, his rank is gonna be 9. So how many members are there in between? 0. Are you all clear with that?
Again, please explain again.
Okay, sure. There are 20 members. A rank 9 from the first, B rank 13 from the bottom. So you have to find B rank from the first. What is his rank? From the top, what is B's rank? From the top, what is B's rank? Umit, can you tell me?
8.
Yeah, so A's rank is 9, B's rank is 8. Then how many members are there in between?
0.
That's all. So how many members are there in between? That's the question. So it is 0. So A is 9, B is 8. B has been overtaken. It is not that B is behind. B has been overtaken. So B is in 8, A is 1. So that is 9. So there are none in between. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. Any other doubts? Top 9th position. Then after that, how many members are there? So 11 members. So from the bottom, it is 12, not 13. Rajkumar, check it again. It's from the bottom 12. Can you recheck it, Rajkumar? Yeah, none in between. That's correct. So A is 9. I can do it in the reverse way. A is 9 from the top. So let's take in this way. Okay. B is 13 from the bottom. Let's have 13. A is 9 from the top. Then what is A's rank from the bottom? A is 9 from the top. Then what is his rank from the bottom? 12. Exactly. So A is 12 from the bottom. So still, how many members are there in between? 0. I can take both the cases from the top or both the cases from the bottom. Anything is fine. Okay. Are you clear with that? Steve, Basit, Abhlashni, Sachin?
Yes, sir.
Philomena is not there? Philomena is there? Okay. There. Okay, fine. Okay, I'm just erasing this, giving you the next one. Okay, just listen very carefully. The questions are very easy, just only the concept. Okay, now let's take 30 members count. 1 and this is 30. Okay, so now in this 30 count, let's say that this is from 1 and this is ending up at 30. So A ranked from the top, he ranked 12th rank from the top. B ranked from the bottom 11. So 11th rank from the bottom. So now they interchanged their places. They interchanged, A and B interchanged their places. A and B interchanged their places.
What's the question, sir?
A and B interchange their place, then what is the rank of A from the bottom after interchange? This is first. Second question, what is the rank of B from the top before interchange? So two questions. One is, what is the rank of B from the bottom? It's very easy. After interchange, what is the rank of B from the bottom? After interchange, what is the rank of A from the bottom?
After interchange, what is the rank of A from the bottom?
What is A's rank from the bottom?
A is 20th from the bottom after interchange.
Sir, A is 19th and B's answer is also 19th.
No. That's what I'm telling. Listen to the question. After interchange, what is A's position from the bottom?
20th, sir.
What is B's position from the bottom before interchanging?
11th.
What is B's position before interchanging? 11. From the top or from the bottom?
From the bottom.
From the bottom.
Now A went to B's place. Did A go to B's place?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, what is A's rank after interchange from the bottom?
11.
Yeah, that's the same thing only. It will not come any other answer. Statement very important. Are you getting it? Are you clear now? Yeah. So A from the bottom after interchange will be 11 only. What was B's position? That is what is A's position. You clear with that, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now the second one, B's position from the top before interchange. B's position from the top before interchange. B's position from the top before interchange.
20.
20. Okay, 30 minus 11. So 30 minus 11. So there are 19 members, and that is 20th place. Correct. Correct. Okay, are you clear with the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Now,
can you please make
yes.
mention A's position again after interchange?
After interchange, you are going to B's place. So what is B's place from the bottom?
11.
That's all. Are getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Next one is, in the same question, I'll give you as many as different kind so that you would be able to do any question having with two members. So A from the bottom, which rank after interchange? 11, no changes. B from the top, which rank before interchange? That is 20, no changes. Good. Now tell me what is the rank of B from the bottom after interchange. B's rank from the bottom after interchange. B's rank from the bottom after interchange. B's rank from the bottom
9.
after interchange. 9.
Yes, sir. 9.
19.
So 12. So 11 members in front of it. Okay, behind. So behind count will be 18. Good. So 18 members. Yes. So 18 members. Then what is that place? 19. Very good, Dennis. Then that place is 19. Behind there are 18 and that place is 19. You clear with that? So B's place after interchange. So B comes to 12th place from the top. What is this position from the bottom? So how many members are behind? Behind 12, how many are there?
They are 18. 18.
Okay, good. Now, before 12, how many are there?
11.
11.
Good. Now from the top, this is 12. From the top, this is 12. Behind, there are 18. From the top, this is 12. From behind, there are 18. Then what is this rank from the bottom?
I didn't understand, sir.
Okay. Okay. Is that visible? Done. Just taking these things are taking time. Okay, fine. Clearing board, we can do it later. I hope it is visible. So do not take time in these things. Okay, so B from the bottom, B from the bottom after interchanging, what is the rank from the bottom? B after interchanging, what is its rank from the top? B after interchanging, what is its rank from the top?
12.
Good. Now, what is its rank after interchanging from the bottom? From the bottom, what is the rank?
There should be 9.
From the bottom, there are 30 members. Total, there are 30. Total, there are 30 in
19.
the class.
19.
Yes, 19, not 9, 19. Good. So there are 18 behind, and that particular place is 19. So B from the bottom after interchange is 19. Are you clear with this? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, good. So the next one, what we have seen is interchanging and the positions. This, let it be as it is. Okay, I'll just put it in the previous board over here. If there are 3 members, A, B, and C, there are 3 members. Okay, so A's rank, I'll just write it in short. I hope it is understandable. From the top, it is, let's say 13. B from the bottom, It is 15. Okay, so 28, okay, 30, 31. Let's have 35 as a count. So 35 count. So C is in between A and B. C is in between A and B. Okay, A from the top 13, B from the bottom 15. C is in between A and C is in between A and B. C is in between A and B. So what is C's rank? What is C's rank from the top and what is C's rank from the bottom? I hope you understood the question. So there are 35 members. A from the top 13, B from the bottom 15, C is in between A and B. C is in between A and B. Yes, exactly in between A and B. C is exactly in between A and B. So what is C's rank from the top? What is C's rank from the bottom? What is C's rank from the top? What is C's rank from the bottom? Total, there are 35 members. Ablashni, yeah, Dennis, I hope your answers are correct. Let's check it. Let's tell. 19 from bottom. Okay, sure, we'll check it. And answer of Abdul Basit, recheck. Steve, recheck. So the total member count in the class is 35. It is given. Amrachi, okay, let's check it. Let's check it. Is it 20 or not? Okay. 18 from the top, 19 from the bottom. Okay, 16. Okay. Okay, let's check it. Okay, good. We'll check it. Okay, so A from the top 13. 13. First thing, when you get these questions, what you do is add these both the count and see that are you getting more than 35? That means they are overlapping. Understood? I'm repeating the sentence. First, when you get these kind of questions, add A and B and check, do you get more than 35? That means they are crossing each other.
No, sir, we don't get more than
Understood?
35.
Okay, so if it is more than 35, they are crossing each other. So here they are not crossing. So it is 13 plus 15. How much? So from the bottom
28.
B is 28. So how many are in between? How many are in between?
6. No, 7. 7.
7. Okay, so how many are in between? 28 minus 35. 28 minus 35, 7 members. So this is the center. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, C is over here. So this is 13, then 14, 15, 16, 17. C from the top, 17. What's rank C from the bottom? Already this is 15. So 16, 17, 18, 19. So C from the bottom is 19. Yes, Abhiraj, your answer is correct. I think most of you have got it. Okay, any doubts? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Good. Now, how many members are there in between A and C? How many members are there in between A and C? How many members are there in between A and C? Good. 3. How many members are there in between A and B? How many members are there in between A and B?
7.
Good.
7.
Good. Okay. Now let's take a Collins. Can you on your mic?
Yes, I do not understand in the concept from
Which concept?
the
Only this
the
question or even the before?
concept. From the C concept there, from the top and from the last one.
Okay, tell me what is the rank of A from the top?
A from the top.
Yeah.
You said it is 13th.
Good. What is B's rank from the bottom?
15th.
Good. How many members are there in between A and C? Sorry, A and B.
Members
so from the
between
top
A
13, from the top 13, from the bottom it is 15. So how many members are there in between?
It's like 7.
Good. So now the question is said C is exactly in between them. A and B, in between them it is C. Understood?
Yes.
So out of 7 members, where will C come?
At the middle.
Good. It's a median value. Okay. Or we'll take up the so the mean value. So this is 13. So what is C's rank from the top? If A is 13, what is C's rank from the top?
There is where I don't get it.
See, this is 13. So this is 14. This is 15. This is 16. And this is 17. That's all.
Okay.
Got it, right?
Now I get it. Yes.
Just a count. There are 13. This is in the center. 3 members are in between. So 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That's all.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Are you clear now from the bottom also?
Yes.
Okay, that's good.
So I just have to count, yes, from 18.
Yeah, just a count. It's just in between. If it's a very big difference, then still what you can do, 13, and in between, this is the 4th place from there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 13 plus 4. Yes, Johnny is correct. 13 plus 4. That also I can do. Or count from there, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. This is also fine. Anyways, the method, whatever it is, the answer would be same. Because he is exactly at one position only. Are you getting it right?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Any doubts in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, good. So I'm not just getting into the board. The reason, again, it might take time for me to change. Again, I have to take your time. Okay, so I don't want to do that. So I'm writing it over here itself. I hope you're comfort. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
That's good. Fine. So let's take the same count 1 to 35. Okay, this time A is ranking 23 from the top. From the top 23. B is ranking. Oh yeah, sure. See, A from the top 13, B from the bottom 15. So how many members are there in between? There are 7 members in between. Next one is given is C is exactly in between A and B. That means it is at the 4th place, either from the right side or the left side. So it's exactly in between C. So what is the rank of C from the top? If this is 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, that is plus 4. Or if it is at the bottom from the 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, from the bottom plus 1. When you subtract, that is what you get. There are 35 is a class count. So from the top, it is 13. From the bottom, this is 15. So that is 20, 28. So 35 minus 28 is 7. That means 7 are there in between. Are you clear with that, Basil?
Okay, go ahead, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Fine. Next one. So this is from the top 13. So let's have from the bottom, let's have 17. Okay, let's have from the bottom B is 17. So 20, 30, 40. Okay, fine. So what they do is, okay, A moves 2 places towards right. A is moving 2 places towards right. A moves 2 places towards right. What is A's new rank? What is A's new rank from the bottom? What is A's new rank from the bottom? So A from the top 23, B from the bottom 17. A moves 2 places right. So what is A's new rank from the bottom?
11.
Okay, good. That was quick enough. Okay, so 23. And what is 23 plus 17?
40.
40. So this is from the top 23. Then what is B's rank from the top? What is the B's rank from the top?
19.
19. Okay, 17 from the bottom. Then how many are in the front?
What can repeat it, sir?
Okay, 17 from the bottom.
Yes, sir.
How many are there in the front? Total 35 members. Total 35 members.
18.
18 is in the front.
In the front.
17. 17 are from the top.
From the bottom, it is 17. Then how many members are there in the front?
18 is 18.
How do you get 18?
35 minus 17.
Yeah, what is 35 minus 17? 18? Yeah, good. So 18 members are there in the front. Then what is this place?
19, it will be 19 then.
Yes, this is the 19th place. So how many members are there in between them?
That's 23 minus
19.
19.
This is 23. So
Give us
20,
4.
21, 22. So how many
23,
members?
4.
20, 21, 22. 3 members.
Okay, 3, yeah.
3 members. So 1, 2, 3 members only. Clear with that? And this is from the bottom, this is 17. This is from the bottom 17. So A moves right side 2 places. A moves right side 2 places. Now, what is the A's new rank from the top? A
11.
moves right side 2 places. Now, listen to the question of mine now. Let the board be. A is 23rd from the top. A moves right side 2 places. Then what's the new rank from the top? Yes, good. 25, 24, 25. So this
25.
place from the top is 25. Then from the bottom, what is this rank?
11.
It is going to be 11. So 10. Okay, good. 11. Yes. So from the bottom, this is going to be 11. Are you clear with the question?
Yes, sir.
Are you now clear with the concept?
Yes, sir.
Good. Anybody have doubts till here?
No, sir.
Shall we go with the next one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here you go. 4 questions. Read it. Get your answers, all the 4 together. Read it. Then give me the answer one by one, and then let's discuss on that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I'm just giving you all a minute of time. Finish till 4th. I think most of you have completed till 3. Okay, we'll check with the first one. Okay. So Adira ranked 10 from the top, ranked 10 from the top and 20th from the bottom. How many students are there in the class? So 10 plus 20, 30, 30 minus 1, 29. Yes, it's correct. Okay, I think first one, most of you got correct. So let's take up with the answers. Yes, Abhilashni, correct. Yeah, most of you are correct. That's fine. Okay, second one. Shall we go with the second one? First one, any doubt? Shall we go with the second? Okay, Amrachi, we'll check it. Okay, second one. In a row, there are 21 girls. When Monica was shifted by 4 places towards right. So 21. In a row, there are 21 girls. Monica shifted 4 places towards right. She became 12th from the left. That means from the left end. This is what is left end. I'm just rounding the cam. So this is the left end. From the left end, she became 12. Okay. So from the left end, she became 12. So what was her earlier position? So how many out of 21 students from the left end right now she is 12. What is her earlier position from the right end? That means from the bottom. Okay, so this is 12. So before this 4 positions, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 positions she has moved and went to 12. And earlier means 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. This was 8th position from the first. Are you clear with that? So there are 21. So there are 21 from the bottom. How many students are there from the bottom? 8 minus 21. So what is 8 minus 21?
13.
13. And this place will be,
So 14.
yeah. So 21. So this is 8th place from the top. So how many members are there in between? Minus 8, 11, so 3, 13 members, and this place will be 14th from the last. Are you clear with that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this would be 14. Most of you have got 13, so that is plus 1. I want that rank, right? So it is plus 1. Basit, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Fine. Okay, next one, Third question. Sammy ranked 11 from the top and Rani ranked 12 from the bottom. 11 from the rank and 12 from the bottom. If there are 21 students in the class, how many students are there in between them? So total is 26. So this is 11 from the top and this is 12 from the bottom. So that means 23. So 24, 25, 26. There are 3 in between. Everybody were correct with this. That was good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very easy one. Okay, next one. In a row of students, Deepak is 7th from the left end and Madhu is 12th from the right end. If they interchange their positions, Deepak becomes 22nd from the left end. So Deepak was 7 at the beginning from the left and Madhu was 12 from the right. Somewhere, okay, 12 from the right. If they interchange the position, Deepak becomes 22nd from the left. Okay, then this position is going to be 22nd. Understood the meaning? After interchanging, Deepak becomes 22nd from the left. Are you clear with that? Already he is after interchanging, he's going to be 22nd. Are you clear with that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so after interchanging, this is 22nd. Before he was at 7. Now, how many students are there in the row? Okay, see, Deepak, will take Deepak itself. He was at 7. After interchanging from the left, he is 22, right? Is it correct? Deepak from the top, he is 22. Is that correct or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Already he was at 7. Now he is at 22. Now let's take the case of Madhu. Madhu from the right end, it was 12. That means this position itself is 12. Is it correct or not? The same position is 12. Is it right or wrong?
Right, sir.
From the left, it is 22. From the right, it is 12. Same position. It is the same position. 22nd, 12. So 22 plus 12 minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
33.
So is it 34 or 33?
33, sir.
Good. Are you all clear with fourth one? I think some of you have given 34. It is minus 1, 33. Okay. So from the last, the position is 12.
Yes,
from the
sir.
first, the position is 22. So add them minus 1.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay. So first one, I'm explaining it again, happiness. So 10 plus 20. So it is 30. Same person's rank. From the top, it is 10. From the bottom, it is 20. Okay, that means 10 plus 20 is 30. The same rank is being added 2 times. So minus 1 because it's the same position. From the first it is 10. From the bottom it is 20. Same rank is being repeatedly added for 2 times. So 10 plus 20, 30 minus 1. So that I'm taking up only 1. Are you clear with that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, any doubts?
No, sir.
See, the same person, right? Thank God. It is the same person, even though the total student is given or not, it is the same person from the top, same person from the bottom. Got it, thank God? Thank God, are you clear with that? Yeah. If it is different persons, then we cannot do it. It is the same person. So yes, we can do it. Okay, fine. I'm just going to the next slide. 3 questions, get the answer for these. If you do what, it's done. Ranking order will be very clear. Any doubts? Veerartana? Any doubts? Thank God. Any doubt?
Got it.
Okay, that's great. I'm muting all. Okay. That's great, Tenervi. Okay. Good, Ablash. Good, Janveer. So shall we check with the answers? Or do you want time, others? Good, Abhi.
Sir, we can check it.
Okay, that's fine. So anybody else, do you want time to do, or shall we go with the answers?
So we should go with the
Okay. That's fine. So first one, in a row, Dilna is 7 from the left. So Dilna 7 from the left, and Midna is 12th from the right. Midna is 12th from the right. So Midna is over here. If they interchange their places, Dilna becomes 22nd from the left. Same thing. It's the same question as we did previous. 7. So Dilna is 22nd. So this would be 33 students are there. Okay, fine. Next one. If Mike finds that he is 12th from the right in the line of boys, 14 from the left. So Mike finds he is 12th from the right and line of boys and 4th from the left. So 4th, I'll just give much more smaller. Okay. So 4th from the left and 12th from the right. So that means 12 plus 4, 16, and there are 15 students. How many boys should be added to the line so that there will be 28 boys? So already 15 plus 13 will make 28. That's it, done. So 13 is correct. Most of you are correct. That's good.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Second one is not 3, 13. Rajkumar, recheck it.
Sir, I didn't understand the third question.
Oh, he meant third. Okay. Okay, that's fine. So in a class, there are 60 students. So very easy one. It's a mixture of ratio also. So 60 students, where girls are twice that of boys. Kamal ranked 17 from the top. Okay, typing mistake. That's fine. Okay, girls are twice that of boys. That means 2:1 ratio. That is girls, and this is for boys. Okay. So out of 60, what is 2 in the ratio? So that is 40. And there are how many boys? There are 20. Are you clear with this? Anybody have doubt with this? Ask me, then we'll go with the next. There are 40
Yes,
girls and 20 boys. Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? Basid, Arwa, Dennis, thank God, happiness.
Sir, clear this one.
Okay. So there are 40 girls and 20 boys. Yes. Yes, Induni. Any doubt?
Can you please tell me what is the discussing now?
Okay, so there are 40 girls and there are 20 boys. Any doubt in that? The third question? Girls are twice that of boys. So there should be, so total strength is 60. So there are 40 girls and 20 boys. Any doubt in that?
So please clear it.
Okay. Let's say that you have twice money than me. I have 100. Then how much do you have? You have twice money than me. So I have $100. Then how much do you have?
200.
That's it. So there are already 60 students are there. Girls are twice than that of boys. Okay.
120.
120? No. There are 60 students in the class. There are only 60, not more than that. There are only 60. So where girls are twice than that of boys, that means 60 is equal to girls 2 and boys 1. The ratio is 2:1. There are only 60. There cannot be more than 60. Are you clear with that? It's given
yes,
very
I clear
clearly.
it. Yes,
Yeah.
I got it.
Got it, right? So in a class, there are 60, very particular. So where girls are twice that of boys. So girls are twice that of boys. That means 2 girls equal to 1 boy. Then 4 girls equal to 2 boys. Then 20 girls equal to 10 boys. And 40 girls equal to 20 boys. The count is 60. Yes, it is correct. The ratio is also 2:1. 40 divided by 20 is nothing but 2/1. So yes, the ratio is correct. So girls are 40, boys are 20. Any doubt? Basit?
No, sir.
Raj, what is the doubt?
Nothing, sir. You may proceed.
Okay. Any others? Any doubts? Iduni, are you clear? Amrachi?
Sir, can you explain it again?
Okay, sure.
Clear, sir.
Clear. Okay. See, in Duni, there are 6 boys and girls together. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
The
Yeah.
ratio is 2:1. So that means 2 girls is to 1 boy. 2 girls is to 1 boy. Okay. Then tell me out of 6, how many boys and how many girls? 2 girl, 1 boy. Then 4 girls. If there are 4
Two
girls,
boys.
how many boys? 2
Two
boys.
boys.
Yeah. What is 4 plus 2?
6.
Okay, good. So in the any doubt in this? Because is clear, right?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Now there are 60 in the class. So boys 40, girls 20. So the ratio is still 2:1. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is called as proportion. 2:1, 4:2, 6:3, or 20:10, or 10:5, 40:20. I'm getting 2 by 1, 2 by 1, 2 by 1 if I simplify. Yes. So that is very clearly given. Girls are 2 and boys are 1. Okay. Shall we go with the question? Is that clear? Divas, Raj, Rajacharya?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Okay. Okay. Biswas, Indani?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. Fine. So in this, they have given where girls are twice than the boys. Kamal ranked 17 from the top. So from the top, Kamal ranked 17. Okay. If there are 9 girls ahead of him, if there are 9 girls ahead, how many boys are after him in rank? So before him, there are 9 girls. Okay. Then before him, how many boys, including him? There are 9 girls ahead of Kamal. Yes. So there are 9 girls and 8 boys. 9 plus 8, 17. That is including Kamal, it is 17. Yes, including him, it's 8. Then how many boys are there after him? If there are 8 boys are there including him, how many boys are there after him? Good.
12.
12. Yes. How many boys are there after him in the rank? There are 12. That's all done. Are you clear with that? That's all,
No,
the
sir.
question is done.
Please repeat it.
So how many boys are there before him?
8 including him.
So how many boys will be there after him? Total how many boys?
20.
So 20 minus 8, how much?
Oh, 12, sir. Yes, I got it.
That's all.
Thank you,
Got it,
sir.
right? Okay, okay. Clear with that? Anybody have doubts? Anybody have doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, I'm just giving you one more question. This is the last, this is ordering. So like based on height or something, I'll just give you an easy one. Okay, these are very simple questions. Just give a try. Once you're done, then I think I may take another 3 to 4 minutes so that the entire topic would be done. Is that okay? I'm not ending it right away. I'm just giving you 2 questions. You may take another 3 minutes more. Is that okay for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. So compare the knowledge of X, Y, Z, A, B, and C in a relation. X knows more than A. That meaning is X is greater than A. I hope you know the symbol. Greater than A. Y knows as much as B. That means Y is equal to B. Okay. Z knows less than C. So Z knows less than C. That means C is greater than Z. A knows more than Y. So A, I'm writing on the top. X is knows more than A. A knows more than Y. Okay. B knows more than C. So B knows more than C. So I'm getting two equations. One is this. B knows more than C. C knows more than Z. And the other one I get X knows more than A and A knows more than Y. So now what is connecting in between them? Y is equal to B. It's given here, the second statement, Y knows as much as B. Okay, I'm just repeating from the first. X knows more than A. So I'm just clearing everything. I'm giving you from the first statement. X knows more than A. X knows more than A. Next, second statement. Y knows as much as B. Next, C knows less than, sorry, Z knows less than C. A knows more than Y. And B knows more than C. This is the statement. Okay, this is the first statement, this is second, this is third, this is fourth, and this is fifth. Okay, X knows more than A. That means X is greater than A. Next thing is, okay, I'm sorry, X is greater than A. So next one, A is greater than Y. It's given here. Continuity, A and A joining together. A knows more than Y. Next one, Y is equal to B. Now from here, I'm connecting to this. Y is equal to B. That means these both are equal. Okay, B is greater than C. C is greater than Z.
Sir. Sir left, guys. I think we can all leave the class now.
Yeah, but wait for some time.
I mean, the class is already over, so what are we waiting for?
Let's wait for some time. Let's see sir will come back or not. If there's anything left, then he will continue that.
Okay, am I audible? I'm sorry, I just
Yes,
lost
sir.
the network in between. Okay, any doubts till there?
No, sir.
Okay, good. I think the host has been converted. The same, the remaining questions would be the same. Okay, I think Ashu is the host now. Ashu? Okay, that's fine then. So the same kind of question, just give a try. So, so what you can do is, I'm just sharing a link. You can get into that link and try with the first and second question paper from that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Fine. I'm just putting in the chat. I hope the chat works. Yeah. So in this, you'll have it as mock test and UG mock test. You can click on those two question papers, question paper 1 and 2, UG mock test and UG mock. So you will have the set of questions which are being like your whatever your exam model paper. Once you can take it up on that and check and see that what are the doubts you have in case of meeting in the next class, again we can work on that. Is that okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. Any other doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, see, I'm sending the link again. Okay, are you getting it, Pranita? Yeah, okay, fine. Okay, thank you very much. And I hope let's catch up with the next session. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you all. Thank you. Thank you.
Hi guys, we'll end the class here. All right.